Welcome back to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today I'm changing out my old water softener for a new water filtration system that has both a filter and it's a salt-free water softener. So it's not really a softener, but it is it does help with the hardness in the house. So since we're in Florida and we really don't have a huge hardness problem here, we're going to give it a try. We've always had the water softener, but today we're actually going to try the new salt-free water system. So one of the things I wanted to show you first is just how poorly the piping was done by the builder in my house. I just can't even believe this is what someone would do at a professional level. Okay, so take a look at this. So what we have here is the water. You can see this is the valve, the shutoff valve. So you see the water coming into the house. So we have here an elbow and an elbow. Comes out over here in this mess over here to another elbow until you get to the valve, right? So then the water that goes back into the house, this one's actually not bad. It comes straight out and comes up to an elbow. That one, I'm gonna have to cut it anyway, just to get them even. But then if you look here, we've got the drain line. And so the drain line, it has an elbow with another elbow here. It comes over here, right? Elbow, elbow, elbow. What on earth were they doing and why? So this drives me nuts. So anyway, we're gonna clean all of this up and I'll show you the after once I'm done. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, I've cleaned up these pipes so that they're nice and clean and not all those bends in them. I also put a bypass in, so if I have to shut the water off, so if my water filtration has to be replaced or something, pretty easy, just turn the bypass on, close out that one, close up that one, and we're all done. And just FYI, the only reason this one is up here in a different color is because that was an old one I had, so rather than go out and buy a whole new one, and figured I'd just reuse what I got. So anyway, there you have it. I'll give you a full view here so you can see, and you can see I got a new water system. So this is a pre-sediment filter from Aquasure. This is a water filtration system for the house, the whole house water filtration system. And this one is a salt-free water softener. Again, not really a water softener, but it's supposed to break down the minerals so it doesn't clog up your pipes and cause all the hard water stains. So anyway, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.